Let's make a farm fresh smoothie. First, we'll start by washing our hands like we do before we use any food preparation techniques. Our first ingredient is ice, then fresh blackberries, kale, rinsed and chopped, peaches, chopped. You can take the skins off if you want. Last, we have juice. This is orange juice, but not just any orange juice. It's blood orange juice. They're a little red on the inside.
So here we're gonna make a smoothie using human power. So at home, a lot of times we use that electrical energy to start the blender, but we're gonna use my kinetic energy to make a smoothie. Oops, let's see. And when it's all done, I can drink that smoothie and convert that energy from the smoothie into chemical energy in my body that I can use again throughout the day.